Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to the channel, my name is Danny and this is Dragonaire's Club. So in the next 3 videos, we're going to be looking at jumping spiders. So this video is a part 1 of 3. In this video, we're going to be looking at my personal collection of jumping spiders. I'm going to be showing you all of those. I've got lots of different species. Then in the second video, we're going to be uncovering the species that I personally own. I'm going to be breaking each one down and discussing them in some depth. And then in the third video, we're going to be doing a full in-depth review of jumping spiders in general. So we're going to be going through their anatomy, how they breathe, how they jump, how they hunt, how they see. We're going to be looking at whether or not we're keeping these jumping spiders correctly in their terrariums. We're going to be, 'cause different jumping spiders are from different parts of the planet, apart from freezing cold places like the Antarctic, where they just could not survive. We're also going to be looking at feeding as well. So I've got a lot of helpful hints and tips in regards to feeding. It's not so bad when they're older, but generally speaking, when they're little slings, when they're tiny, feeding them little flies can often be quite tricky and they can get everywhere. So I've got a lot of helpful little hints and tips to help you out with that as well, but that'll come later. And then we're also going to be throwing in some unboxing. So I've got some new jumping spiders coming as well, and one of them will be going into the spidarium that I made last week. So very excited. That's actually going to be in this video. So yes, very excited about that. This one doesn't have a name. It is a male, but you'll be finding out who it is later on in the video. But he will need a name, so I'm going to need some name suggestions down below. If you don't mind leaving a message or a comment just to say your suggestion for a name, and then one will get picked, and that name will be revealed in video 2. All right, guys, let's get into it. Okay, here we are. Here is the box. So let's get into it and open up our little jumping spider. Okay. Alright, so somewhere in here should be, there he is. So I believe this one's actually an adult and a male. Excellent. Okay, so here we are, we're at the table. I think it's much better by here. It's quite a bit brighter too. So what I'm firstly going to do is just pop one of these into here. So let's pop a little cocoon in and hopefully it's big enough to go in here. There we go. Right. Let's see how close we can get it to the top in here. That'd be quite cute because you can actually see him at the top. Nice little bit of cover there he's got as well for some ivy. Beautiful. If he goes in there, he's not going to be disturbed. Lovely. I'm happy with that. Okay. So just so you can see, there it is, right at the top. So I got this spider from Jumping Spider's Web, and he is a Phidippus carolinensis. And I'm hopefully going to get some good shots for you guys as well of this little cutie. Let's go. Let's do this. If he does a runner, there may be a bit of a hysterical scream. Not because I'm scared, but because I'm sad, because I don't want to lose him. Oh, I love these guys, honestly. They're so beautiful. They, to me, look like grumpy little old men. I love the little faces. Unfortunately, we didn't actually get much footage of him. Let's see if we can see him. There he is. Alright. Oh my gosh, he's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay. I mean, you can just about see him here moving around. I'm gonna try and get some close-ups for you guys.